Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can download the Amazon Prime Video application on your laptop or computer devices. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just simply go to a browser, then go to Microsoft Store. You can also do this process by going to the Microsoft Store in your computer as well, but I'm going to show you in the browser version. So over here just simply search for Prime, then just simply choose Prime Videos for Windows. Then click on Get in Store. Then click on Open Microsoft Store. Now just simply wait for a few seconds. Then just simply click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. So after the installation process is complete, you will find that Amazon Prime application has been added to your app list in your Windows. So now you can just simply log into your Amazon Prime account and enjoy. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.